Hey coders, choosing the right code editor can supercharge your workflow. Today we're comparing three heavyweights: Visual Studio Code, Cursor, and Replit. Let's break them down and find out which one's best for you in just 2 minutes. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code from Microsoft. It's a free open source editor loved for its flexibility. With IntelliSense for smart code completion, built-in Git, and a massive extension library, it supports virtually any language. Perfect for developers who want a customizable, lightweight tool for everything from web dev to data science. Next, Cursor. Built on VS Code's foundation, it's an AI-powered editor designed to boost productivity. It offers context-aware code suggestions, inline AI chat for refactoring or debugging, and Composer for project-wide changes. Ideal for coders who want AI to handle repetitive tasks while keeping full control. Finally, Replit. This cloud-based IDE runs in your browser, requiring zero setup. It's great for collaborative coding with real-time multiplayer editing and instant deployment. Replit's AI Ghostwriter helps with code suggestions. It's a favorite for beginners, students, and quick prototyping. So how do they stack up? Let's check the comparison chart. Here is the verdict. VS Code is your go-to for a free, customizable editor that fits any project perfect for all developers. Cursor shines for pros wanting AI to speed up coding and handle complex tasks. Replit is the champ for beginners, students, or teams needing quick, collaborative prototyping without setup hassles. Choose based on your needs: flexibility, AI power, or instant collaboration. Try them out and code your way. Drop your favorite editor in the comments, and happy coding. Like and subscribe for more videos.